Hey guys, how are you? This is Liz, the Classic Credit Lady, coming to you live. I just wanted to encourage you. Today's topic, I want to talk about pressing the panic button, panicking due to issues before actually looking for um before anything goes wrong. But no guys, I'm just joking. But today I actually want to talk about um how to handle situations, and not be so quick to press that panic button. As we see, there's a lot of things going on in this world. A lot of things going on in the world, and a lot of people are going through a lot. They're going through a lot of situations in their lives. They're going through a lot financially. They're going through a lot emotionally. Gases are going up. Jobs are not paying like they're supposed to. Everything is going up. Food is going up, has gone up drastically. Even rents, renting, it has become ridiculous with this high rent. And what I want to share with you guys that learn not to panic. Don't be so quick to react to a situation. Okay? Don't be so quick to get in your feelings. Things happen. Life is happening right now, but we have to learn to stand on solid ground, to be planted and not panic and not jump ship. um I'm saying this because sometimes we go into depression mode because we don't know whether we coming or going. We go through mental stress or insomnia because we're not able to sleep at night. I'm sorry guys, I'm looking at this camera here. And it's hard. you know a lot of people don't are not able to sleep at night because their mind is constantly running and thinking about how they're going to pay their bills, how they're going to feed their family, how they're going to get to work when gas is so expensive now. So all these things plays a part in our minds as human beings. We seem to, a lot of us, panic, and we press the panic button, and we want to abandon ship. Okay? And we have to learn to trust God and know that God is in control of everything, and that He will not forsake us. Okay? He will not leave us nor forsake us. God has a plan for every situation. God has a way out for every situation. And sometimes we want everything like this instantly, but it's God's timing. Okay? And I want to encourage you today, guys, not to panic in situations. Be planted, be solid. Plant your feet on solid ground and trust God that God is going to make a way. If He's done it for you before, He will do it again and again and again. I loved Psalms 37 verse 25. And this is one of my favorite verses. And it says, I was young, but now I'm old. Never have I seen the righteous forsaken, nor their seed begging for bread. So if anyone that believes in a higher power, like some people call them, but we call Him God. He's the CEO of the universe. And I want to encourage you this evening to not to be so quick to press the panic button, but trust God and leave everything in God's hands, because God will take care of you. I am a living witness that God is a keeper, and He always makes a way out of no way. So my people, be encouraged. Have a wonderful evening, and keep your eyes on the hills where your help coming from. Your help coming from the Lord, who created heaven and earth. You have a wonderful evening and be blessed. And I'm out.